Hello everyone, welcome you all to an exciting and easy learning for pre-primary channel. Today let us visit our classroom and observe the objects seen in the classroom and learn their uses. So let's proceed. Blackboard and whiteboard. Blackboard is a teaching aid tool used by a teacher to facilitate learning and improve reading and other skills, whereas the whiteboard is used as students can learn by seeing, hearing and interacting with the board through touch. Chalks. When we think of school, chalk is one of the first images that come to our mind. Chalk is used to write, draw on the blackboard. Bench, desk. Benches and desks used in a school by students for sitting, reading and writing purpose. Globe. Globes are used in a classroom to illustrate Earth's shape. It shows the distribution of land and water on the surface of the earth. Table, chair. Table is used mainly by the teachers to keep her belongings and study stuff. Chair. Chair is used for sitting purpose for our teachers to call out the roll calls and even for checking books and exam papers. Books. Books make students intelligent. Books increase the knowledge of students and improve their intellect. Laptop. Using laptop in the classrooms will help the students to learn to type quickly and accurately. They can record notes much faster than writing by hand. School bag. School bag is used as a medium to transport different materials like exercise book, pencil box, water bottle and lunch box to school. Apart from this, a school bag helps a child to keep their belongings safe from external damage like sun, dust or rain. Sharpener. Pen, pencil and eraser. Pen. A pen is a common writing instrument. Pencil. Pencil is a primary instrument in learning as a child learns to hold the pencil first to give rise to his or her writing skill. Eraser. Eraser is a piece of a rubber or other material used to rub out marks made by pencil, ink or chalk. Sharpener is used to sharpen a pencil for good handwriting and for drawing purpose. Water bottle. Water bottle is majorly used to carry clean water for drinking purpose during our school hours. Dustbin. A dustbin is just a waste container that is used for temporarily storing trash. Map. Maps in the classroom invites curiosity, encourages exploration and inspires problem solving. Glue and plastic safety scissors. Glue is used to stick craft paper creative pattern in a craft book, whereas plastic safety scissors is used for cutting purpose. Bookshelf. A bookshelf in the classroom helps to organize books and sort them by level and topics. Charts. A chart is a useful way to present and display information or instructions regarding topics. Color box. The main purpose of color box is to develop a child's visual sense of colors. Tiffin box. Tiffin box is what a yummy breakfast or a meal prepared by mom, and kids really enjoy the same in their break time. Projector. Projector allows the teacher to interact with the students in more better ways. Wall rhymes. Decorated walls in the classroom create a more engaging and welcoming atmosphere for the little wonders. Subject-wise class timetable. Timetable play an important role in reducing the confusion while learning. Students are very clear about the subjects they have to study in a particular period, according to which kids pack their bag to that particular day. Yearly calendar. Monthly calendar makes the students aware of day, date, month, and current year. Suggestion regarding various topics related to pre-primary would be appreciated. A huge thank you for watching this video. Please give thumbs up, subscribe and ring the bell icon with the comment below. Thank you.